Alright, tier list of all of the Ultrakill levels, starting with 0-1. Wait, hold on, let me fix this. Arrow above. Actually, no, delete this one. Delete row. Make you blue. Make you. There we go, fix it. Make you green. Red. Red. I do need to add another one. SSS. Ultrakill. Alright. Now, let's get started with the tier list. So with 0-1, it's honestly, in my opinion, a good level. Putting it in A. 0-2, also a good level. Putting it in B because it's slightly worse. 3-3, I have a record in, so I'm putting it in S. 3-4, straight line. It's a little boring. Putting it in B. 05, I love the soundtrack. Going in SS. 0S, D. 0E. Hold on, one more, let me. One moment, and I'll just make that one purple, sure. I swear to God, I don't want Nikes. 0-E, bottom of the bottom. 1-1, it's a good level. You get nail gun, which is fun. A. 1-2, I like this level. Soundtrack's kind of nice, but it's not really that fun of a level in the shoe. 1-3, SSS. Or wait. 1-4, SS. 1-3, amazing soundtrack, amazing level. 1-4, it's a great level, just V2's no health. 1S, C. 1E, to get above 0-E. 2-1, I actually do like this level, it's beautiful. 2-1. 2-2, I really like this level. S. 2-3, it's kind of boring. I'll put it in C. 2-4, I love this level. SS. 2S, I'm kidding. Going to D. It's bearable. 3-1, I actually quite like this level. 3-1. 3-2, it's amazing. SSS. 4-1. This level, it's forgettable. 4-2, A. 4-3, bottom of the bottom. 4-4, Ultrakill. I love that level so much. A, you get Whiplash. B, it's amazing. 4S. C, it's better than these two. 5-1. C. I'm putting this one up here. I'm moving it down to D. High D, above the other two. 5-2. I actually do like this level. I'm gonna put you in A. 5-3. Love the level. Oh, these are supposed to be like that. What? 5-4. SS. That's quite fun. 5S. I really like it. I'm gonna put in S. SS. 6-1. It's going in Ultra. I love it. I don't know why. Why are these all out of order? Right. So 6-2 going in SSS. 7-1. It's a really long level. C. 7-2. Ultrakill. It's amazing. 7-3. Looks cool. Side backstory, SS. 7 and 4, A. 7S, horrible. Now this one's supposed to be P1, I don't know why it's not here. I do like the level, I'll put it in, SS. P2, it's amazing. The soundtrack is just perfect. The level is difficult and challenging. I have like 500 hours. That's why I like how it's difficult and challenging. It's just amazing. But 4-4 is my favorite level, 100%. The dual soundtrack is my favorite in the entire game. Anyway, that's a tier list. Actually, one more. Need I say more? I don't need to say more.